everyone, this is Cooking with Intention. I'm Tracy and welcome to my kitchen. So I am so excited to show you today this affordable, delicious, yummy, nutritious chili. And I'll start with my ingredients. So this is 1.5 pounds of ground turkey, which is the 93% lean. I have a carrot and a zucchini that I'm going to chop up. I have some diced tomatoes. Again, these are the products I like to use and they were on sale. I have a can of black beans, a can of light red kidney beans, and a can of dark red kidney beans. I have some red wine vinegar and olive oil, of course, and a bunch of the cilantro that I'm gonna chop up, and an onion I'm gonna dice, and I have some diced chilies that are mild, and I have a red bell pepper that I'm gonna dice up, and I have, of course, a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic, a jalapeno that I won't use all of the seeds, but I will have a little bit of heat in there. So I have some oregano, some salt, some cumin, and some chili powder. So my next steps will be that I am going to brown up my ground turkey, and I'm gonna add all my spices in there. And then I will come back and show you the rest of it. It's so easy. And I'm going to do it in my pressure cooker. So it'll be really fast, really easy, and super delicious. Can't wait to show you. Okay, so this is probably been sauteing for like 5 minutes. And so now, of course, it's going to go through the pressure cooker process. So I'm gonna add my meat with all the yummy juices that were in there and all the spices. And oh boy, the aromas are awesome. I mean, anytime you get onions and spices and oh gosh. And so now we're just gonna start building all of the flavors. So we have the black beans. Again, this is so easy and so delicious. My dark red kidney beans, and I put the juices in and everything because then it gives it a little bit more of a, stew. My light red kidney beans. My diced tomatoes that have some spices in there too. My red wine vinegar. My mild chilies. Oh my gosh, so good. And my garlic. Let's do garlic first. The bell pepper. Zucchini, as you can see, I just have packed it with all kinds of yummy vegetables and the jalapeno. A little bit of seeds in there, not much. I'm gonna hold off on my cilantro and I'm just gonna give this a good stir. Okay, as you can see, that amazing color. So now we're going to put the lid on and we're going to hit soup and stew. And it's gonna go for 15 minutes. I wanna make sure that it's on cook so that it actually pressurizes in there. And in the meantime, we'll do some cleanup. Okay, I just did the quick release and it's finished. Oh my, look at that. Oh, the aromas are amazing. So the color, again, I cook with my nose, but I eat with my eyes. And of course, my tongue. But now I'm gonna add in the cilantro. It just gives a really fresh, delicious finish to it. And we don't need to cook it because it's gonna finish just fine. So again, the flavors The aromas right now in this kitchen are amazing. And look how beautiful that is. Okay, so guess what I'm having for lunch? So I'm gonna get me some of this delicious chili, Nutritious. I'm gonna top it with a little bit of cheese. It's the reduced fat cheddar, which is amazing, and a little bit of green onion. And there you have it. A nutritious, delicious, affordable chili that everyone can enjoy the whole week. I'm so glad I got to share this recipe with you. It is one of our favorites. It is the nutritious, delicious, affordable chili. And it is packed with flavor and nutrition. So, and you should feel proud to take this to like a football get together. It is football season. Or a potluck dinner, or just eat it with your family throughout the week. It is amazingly awesome. So I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. I very much appreciate it. As well as following me on Instagram at cooking_with_intention. I hope you enjoy the meal and have a fabulous day. And until next time, please be well.